Hey everyone, welcome back to Desire. If you run an online clothing, bag, or shoe store, you already know how incredibly expensive professional product photography and hiring models can be. But what if you could put any apparel item from your shop onto a professional model with just a single click, completely for free? Today, I'm going to show you an amazing platform called Lumina by ByteDance that does exactly that using the power of AI. Before we jump into the system and learn this highly profitable workflow, make sure to hit that like button right now and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on the latest AI tools. Let's dive into the website. This is the homepage of the Lumina website, which belongs to ByteDance. I've placed the link for it right down in the description. Lumina can be described as an AI collaboration platform where you can generate images using various AI models like Seedream 5, GPT Image 2, Nano Banana, and several other image generation options. In the video creation section, you can also see and use different variations of the Seedance models. It even features an agentic mode, allowing you to use it as an AI agent to guide you step by step. Beyond that, you can use it for music generation and text-to-speech features. There's a chat section as well, where you can converse with the AI to get exactly what you want and have it build the specific image you're looking for. Under the AI apps section, there are tools that let you edit your photos using artificial intelligence. Today, I want to take the product photos we have like clothes, shoes, and bags and place them onto a model to show you that we no longer need real-life models. You can do this either from the image section or right down here in this specific area. When you log in, it gives you 68 free credits. I'm going to use these credits for image generation. Obviously, it's not cost-effective for video creation unless you upgrade to their paid plan, but it's great for image generation, as we are about to see together. Here, you can select what you want to do, and I'll choose AI image to start generating our picture. In this section, we pick our generation model, and I want to start with Seedream 5. Clicking this option gives us two choices, local upload and material library. I'm going to choose local upload to use some images I've already downloaded to my system. Just like you see here, you can take photos of your own products and upload them. I'll upload one of my images, which is a women's sportswear set. Once the image is uploaded, it's time to write the prompt. I've placed the prompt in the comments section so you can easily copy and use it. I'll paste my prompt here. As you can read, this is a master prompt that we can use for all of our apparel products. In this section, you can select the image size. I'm choosing a 3:4 aspect ratio, which works perfectly for Instagram and TikTok, or you can manually adjust the size down below. Finally, I'll click Generate. It takes us to this screen, showing that it cost us 9 credits to generate this using the Seedream 5 model. Later on, I'll show you how to use it much more efficiently so that it only consumes 1 credit per image. Our image is ready, let's look at it together. Nice! It has placed the clothes on the model incredibly well. You can also download it right from here. Now, I want to try another image, so I'll upload a different piece of clothing. As you can see, I have a men's clothing set here, and I'm going to upload it. I'll paste the exact same prompt into the prompt box again and hit Generate. Once again, it deducts 9 credits from us. It generated our image and positioned the clothes nicely, but the original clothing set layout shouldn't have stayed in the background frame. The image is good, but it has a minor flaw. This time, I'll click Re-edit so we can try a different AI model. I'm going to select the GPT Image 2 model here. And the best part is, it only consumes a single credit. This means with the initial 68 free credits, we can generate up to 68 different images, which is incredibly cost-effective. We can create tons of images for our personal pages using all of our products. Let's wait for the image to generate. Let's check it out together. Wow, it did an excellent job, truly unmatched. The clothing is identical, even down to the shoes and trousers. It matched the outfit perfectly with our model. You can look at both images side by side to see just how amazingly GPT-2 handled this for us. I'll save this image too. Now, let's try another photo. This time, I'm using another men's clothing set, pasting the same prompt, and clicking Generate. It generated the image, and it did a fantastic job for us. I'll put both photos side by side so you can see that we only provided a flat lay clothing set, and it beautifully transformed it into a full model shot. Now, I want to try another clothing set, but this time, I want to supply my own custom model as well. I'll upload the clothing item along with a model photo I already have, which is the one I frequently use on my YouTube community tab. After uploading both, I'll paste our prompt in this section. I've posted this specific prompt on my YouTube community tab, and I'll drop the link in the description so you can grab it separately from there. Now, I'll use the same GPT-2 model and select our image size here. You can pick whatever aspect ratio suits your taste or specific requirements. Keep in mind that increasing the image dimensions or pushing the quality too high will consume significantly more credits. Honestly, you don't even need to max out the quality here, because you can upscale your images using another tool that I introduced in my previous videos. Let's hit Generate at the bottom and wait for our image to be created. The image is ready. Let's place both photos side by side to examine them together. Notice that the model remains exactly the same. I'll place the clothing set photo on the right so you can compare them. It did a wonderful job, and this is exactly how you can use your own custom model images. I'll download this one too, as the quality is truly outstanding. Now, I want to create another outfit using my own model to see how it handles this one. In the Material Library section, you can choose from public models or images you've previously uploaded. Here, I want to reuse the exact same model. I'll select it, click OK, and upload another clothing item to see how it performs this time. Once my images are uploaded, I'll hit Generate and wait for it to build this image for us. As you can see, when we use GPT-2, it only takes one single credit. It was only the first two images where we used Seedream that cost more. So, I highly recommend you stick with GPT-2 as well to keep it at just 1 credit per run. This image is also ready. Let's place all 3 images side by side and check them out. Phenomenal. It used our custom model perfectly and seamlessly fit all 3 outfits we provided onto them. Alright guys, that's how we used the GPT-2 model trick to spend just 1 single credit per run, allowing us to build a flawless, professional lookbook for our products. I highly recommend signing up using the exclusive link I've placed in the description below. So you can claim your 68 free starter credits right away. I've also left the master prompt in both the comments section and the community tab for you to easily copy and paste. If you found this workflow useful, don't forget to drop a like and leave a comment. Until the next video, stay creative,